Amidst all the drama which is unfolding between Chitrangada and director Kushan Nandi, the dusky beauty has finally broken her silence. Spotboy last told you about Kushan and Kiran Shroff's justification on the entire controversy. They put many allegations on Chitrangada, but now the actress has come out and decided to talk openly about what happened with her. In an exclusive chat with Spotboy, Chitrangada gives answers to all their allegations. Allegation number 1 by Kushan and Kiran. Chitrangada wanted to remove one button of her blouse and use a pin instead. Chitrangada's reply: "That's right, but she's twisting that to her advantage. I did say that we should do away with one button in my blouse and use a pin instead, but that was simply because I was playing a very poor woman in the film. I only wanted my attire to look authentic. It was a creative conversation that we were having with each other. I was not doing it to look seductive. Who is this woman Kiran Shroff? I found her so weird. She sits in front of the monitor, decides how many takes should be taken, and even okays the shot." Allegation by Kushan and Kiran number 2. Chitrangada was not performing well in the intimate scene with Nawaz. Chitrangada's reply: "We finished the shot and Kushan said that he didn't like it. He wanted me to lie on top of Nawaz. Now let me tell you that I was wearing a petticoat for that scene. I turned around to tell Kushan about my predicament. I told him, हो तो गया, क्यों कर रहा है ऐसे? Please try to understand that I'm wearing a petticoat. But he was in no mood to listen, and we ended up having a big loud argument. And wait till you hear this. A few minutes later, he went and told Nawaz that we had shot the intimate scene very well. Can you beat that? Nawaz and I sat down for a long chat till 4:30 am. He said that Kushan had been telling him that he'll get some other heroine. Frankly, Nawaz was quite bewildered." Allegation by Kushan and Kiran number 3. Kushan wanted you to shoot the intimate scene again, but you did not deliver. Chitrangada's reply: "Yes, and he said that I should do it bindas. What is a bindas woman? One who wears a petticoat and jumps on a man?" Kushan argued that my character in the film is that of a poor woman who goes tad wild. I told him, does being wild mean that she will start humping her man every time she sees him? And I surely couldn't have been doing that again and again and again. Allegation by Kushan and Kiran number 4. Chitrangada wanted to change the film's ending. Chitrangada's reply: "I did not demand any changes. We did have creative discussions though. We had already shot a montage where Kushan wanted me to do something similar. Nawaz and I had also kissed in that montage, and now Kushan wanted a 7-second kiss in the intimate scene. Even Nawaz told him, kiss kiya to hai, ab kya chahiye Kushan?" Kiran interfered and I turned around to tell her, "Who are you to explain my scene to me? That woman decided almost everything on the set, even the nose ring that I wore. She takes the final call on clothes too. She interfered in the intimate scene and said that she wants a long smooch between Nawaz and me. I couldn't take it lying down and I questioned them that who's the director, Kushan or Kiran. Kushan became embarrassed and asked her to leave. She's mighty pissed with me, I guess." Allegation by Kushan and Kiran number 5. Chitrangada was sending messages to Nawaz that she wanted to return to the film. Chitrangada's reply: "No, not at all. In fact, Nawaz called me when I was headed to the airport. He asked me to return. I told him, speak to Kushan, and if he sees my viewpoint, I'm still 30 minutes away from the airport and ready to come back. But Kushan did not revert." Well, both sides have their stories to tell, but when we asked Chitrangada what's her final take on it and what did she tell Kushan before leaving, she replied: "You must make a film that you want to make. You are the director. Please go ahead and put your vision on celluloid. Kushan and I were so good with each other before we started the Lucknow schedule. I stood by him when the film ran into rough weather in West Bengal last year. Some payments have still not been made on that front. I even got to know that the think tank of the film felt that I shouldn't have been told what they were expecting me to wear, but rather given the outfits only an hour or 2 before the shot. Oh, why were they so fishy?" So that was Chitrangada's side of the story. Now we wait for Kushan to reply to Chitrangada's version.